So things got real at my job, and right now we are self-isolating. I have to self-isolate for a couple days. I was able to rest and have some fun at home, do some cleaning and stuff, and I feel like it's time to sit down and play with makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Now I only show you how I did my makeup in this video, so if you're wondering how I accomplished the hairstyle, I used a curly, like a wavy hair tool that I have for many years, and I haven't used it in so long, so I decided to play with it and I feel like it looks really cool. I think it just gives like a really nice vibe, especially now that it's a very hot weather in Florida. It's my birthday month and we're on to spring more towards summertime. So I feel like this, the hair looks cool. I think I'm gonna do this more often this year. Let me know if that's a good idea in the comment section below. Now, because I was only on my headspace while I was doing my makeup, I don't do like a tutorial. I don't do a talk through. So I'm just gonna put some background music so you guys can enjoy the process. So if you're interested in what products I use and how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep on watching. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been thinking too much lately. I
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head.
I'm gonna list all the products in the description box below for you, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know if you have been playing with makeup during this isolation time, and if you're planning on creating this makeup look. I feel like it's the best time to just sit down and play with makeup. I remember that's how I got really interested and not passionate, but really interested on makeup as a hobby. I remember being a part-timer while my husband was working and just sitting down and slapping out so much makeup on me. You you know, learning techniques and stuff. So I think this is the best time to practice, use it as therapy, as like a creative outlet. I think you won't regret it if you decide to do that. Now give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That way you get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!